Hey everybody, welcome back to another Talking Tuesday. Today I have my sister Olivia.
Olivia is gonna be here to help him. That's
and we're
nice.
doing my favorite car, Dodges.
The Dodge
The Dodge Challenger. And
Charger Daytona.
Charger Daytona, and it's my dad's cars. So let's get started.
You want to get started.
Here's the
Alright.
first one.
And that's the first edition one. That one has the gold wheels, right?
Yeah.
Alright, it's not focusing. Well, put it on. Actually, wow, I can see on them. It should be on your side. I put it towards you so that you could turn it on.
There's like a scratch right there.
On the roof?
Yeah.
That's alright. There's actually 3 of these cars. And then there's this one that's got these wheels on it.
And then this one.
And then that one. So there's three different wheels.
Oh, that one has a scratch.
This one has a scratch on it, Olivia. Which one has gold wheels? This one has gold wheels.
Both of them have gold wheels.
This one has gold wheels too, Tommy? Oh, yeah.
Oh, that one has gold wheels too.
So there's 3. That was the first edition, but the one has the 3 different wheels on them. Alright. Move those off to the side.
And then here's a green one.
Green one. And this is a green one with it's kind of painted up like a World War II plane. It's got that like mouth on the front of it.
Yeah.
Ugh, that's so creepy.
That's a creepy looking one.
And here's a blue one.
And there's a blue one with the 22 on the side. We got red interior. Yeah, looks. Is that orange? That's orange interior. Orange interior.
Yeah.
Chrome base.
And then here's a chrome one.
Silver one.
Yeah.
The black hood.
It's like a Zamac.
Yeah, it looks like a Zamac, but it's just a regular
car.
Yeah, silver card. All right.
And then here's an orange one. That's from a 5-pack.
That's from a General Mills 5-pack. That come out of a General Mills 5-pack. It's all orange. Okay, it's too close, Olivia. Too high, Olivia. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, you had it up too high. I couldn't. All right. And then the last one in that casting is the final run car. That's the final run. It shows.
Daddy, Tommy gets that one, and then I'm supposed to grab it.
Oh, hold on, Olivia.
Gonna get it.
Yeah, he's gonna put them on there. And it says final run 2003. 2003. On the white interior on that one. All right.
And then here's the next one.
Next ones are gonna be the tuned Charger Daytona.
That's from
take them
last year.
Okay, you can take them off, Olivia.
And then here's a red version.
Red version.
Yeah.
A blue one and a red. Yeah, I don't know which one came out first, the blue one or the red one.
I believe the blue one.
Whoa.
And then
Dad, he is actually too close.
Yeah, he's too
And then
close.
here's a purple one from 2017.
That's from 2017 with the 23 on it.
Yeah.
Let him sit, Olivia. Let it sit. Don't move it around so
Yeah,
much.
let's put it back on. And then
You can leave that one. Put that one on.
And then here's
And there's the orange version.
one, which is the first edition of that kind.
The first one that came out was orange, and then it came out in purple.
And then
And
it was the
then
first one of the newer version. And then the older, it was not the first edition, but the older one was looked different.
what older one?
And then here's the Zamac.
And then the Zamac. Those all came out the same year.
Yeah, 2017.
The Zamac.
Get out of my way. Hey, I'm going here.
And then
Oh, they're not. That's an updated version. You mean?
Hey, Tommy, I'm supposed to take them off.
Oh yeah, yeah. Cause see
And
on the
then
bottom
here's the
here it says.
older one.
If it'll focus in, it's got 2 different dates on here. Can't get the. It's 2000. 2003.
No, we're not ready for that one.
And it won't focus. But it says 2003 and 16.
And then
This is a 5-pack car right here.
Yeah.
This one with the flames.
You can see the difference, like the motor is different. And
Oh yeah, the red one's got a different motor.
and then like
The top of the motor.
this thing here is kind of different.
The exhaust.
You can see the interior.
Which one is this? What does this one say on the bottom of it? It won't focus. This one says 2000.
And then you can see the interior.
Jeez.
And the new one. And
The what?
you can see the interior in the new one, and the older one you can't.
Oh,
And then there's a
that's right.
window
There's no
down.
interior in the original one.
And then in the new one, the window is down.
Oh yeah, I see. The updated one has an interior. The first ones that came out didn't have interiors in them.
Well, you can kind of see them.
Well, there's no interior in the ones. They just have the blackout windows.
Can you let me out?
So there's probably no interior. And then the motor is different. They put a smaller motor in the newer
Yeah.
one. Oh,
And
okay.
then here's the next one.
This one's like a silver, kind
It's
of
a
like a
blue
silverish. Yeah, it's kind of like a silverish blue
Yeah.
with a white roof. There's this. Isn't there another? There's another one that came out with that one, I think.
Yeah, here's a dark blue one.
And there's a
And I
dark one.
forgot
Those
to
are the
mention,
same year.
The Camaros are right here. The 67 Camaros.
Yeah, the Camaros are right there. We put them on that shelf, and above them is the Bay Wyman trucks. So we're starting to fill in. There's that metal police car there, and then above them is the construction trucks. And then I moved the tow truck over to that side.
Yeah.
So we're starting little by little. All right, and there's the blue one.
I want
What's
to go.
next one?
Here's brown.
The brown one. You know what? I think this brown one was the first one that came out. I think this was the first edition right here, the brown one. If I'm not mistaken. Now that I think about it, I think that was the first edition car, the brown one.
And then here's like an army green one.
It's upside
Here are the
down,
green
Daddy.
wheels.
It's upside down? Yeah. I think this green one might be a 5-pack car, Tommy. I'm not 100% sure, but I think it might have come from a 5-pack, because there's only one like that.
And then here's another blue one.
Blue one, it says Dodge on the side.
Dad.
Don't spin it so much, Olivia. It won't focus. Put it down. Yeah, because it spins too much. What's the next one there,
And then
Tommy?
here's like a...
Oh, and the green. So it's a green
That's the
one
last
and the
one.
blue one. And that's the last of the tuned Dodges. And that's a lot of them.
Ow.
I didn't realize I had so many.
And then
Next.
here's Fast Furious.
Alright, one of these is the first
I wanna go
edition.
in here.
Olivia, it won't focus. You're moving it around too much. Leave it. One of these is the first edition car. I think this one is the. Let me see the other one. I think that one is from the Fast and Furious set, and then this one's darker. This is actually a mainline. Yeah, this is the mainline, first edition one,
Can I get out?
and the other one is from the Fast and Furious single packs.
Stand.
See, they're a little different. The color, one's
I
darker
have
than the
this-
other.
This one here I have.
Yeah, the
This
other
one's
one, the darker one is a mainline car.
Focus. Don't have
That was the
to
first one that
okay.
came out. The
Okay.
first time that car came out.
And then here's the new one.
That's the 2019 one right there.
That's pretty nice.
It looks good in black with
I want
the
to see another
flames.
one.
Yeah, it'd be
I'm
nice
very
if they would
cold.
put a second one out this year.
The windows are
Or a
out.
third maybe.
Or-
even.
Oh, it's getting to be too late for a third one.
Oh.
So only two more cases for 2019 P and Q, and they already have the ends.
There's some videos of sneak peeks.
Yeah,
And then
That's
here's
fun.
a 5-pack one.
that's a 5-pack car, light blue. It's got. Can you put it down? I can't see it when you keep doing that. Thank you. And it's got a black base on that car. That's the 5-pack car, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I think.
And then here's the regular, the super.
Yeah, I don't have the Super.
I wish.
Yeah, Supers are hard to come by.
Yeah.
You have to be first one there to get them, and I'm never the first person there.
You got lucky with the Skylines.
Yeah, once in a great while I
I
get
wanna
lucky.
go.
And then here's the next one, I guess.
Can you let it sit there for a little bit, Olivia? Let it spin around, please.
Meh.
And that one's red with white stripes.
Me. I wanna get out.
And then
This
the
one,
green
in my
one.
opinion, I think is better than that red one.
You like the green one better than the red
Yeah,
one?
'cause
Well,
the
green's your
wheels-
favorite color.
Yeah. And
Olivia,
the
can you
wheels look
please?
nice.
I can't.
The wheels look nice on it too.
Are they different wheels?
Yeah. This one here has red around the wheels. The other one doesn't.
Oh, okay, I see.
And then here's another one, the Z-Mac.
Oh, those all came out the same year.
Yeah.
I like the Zamac one. I think the
that's
Zamac looks really, really sweet. Looks really nice.
And then here's the final one for the casting.
The final car on that cast, and that's the Target car there with the 69.
Nope, they took that one off. Yeah, that one's really nice.
Yeah,
stay there.
that's the Target car there.
Nope.
Yeah.
Get off. Why? Mom.
Alright.
That's the last one for Hot Wheels.
That's the last of the Hot Wheels.
And then here's Racing Champ.
This is Racing Champion number 3. What name is on the roof? There's a name on there. Fred Lorenzo. Lorenzen. And it's got. Can you?
And then here's the blue Racing Champ.
And it's a blue Racing Champion for 1. Is there a name on this one? Oh, Bud Moore on this car. It's kind of hard to focus it, but this is a Bud Moore car. Ooh, it's got gold wheels on that one
Yeah,
too.
that's pretty nice.
Yeah, I like the blue one. The white one's kind of
Then
plain.
here's a,
That's the Johnny Lightning.
yeah, now we're going with
Let me get
the
out.
Spoilers.
No, don't get
There's a
out
motor
first.
sticking out.
That's the Johnny Lightning car there.
First.
Has that got rubber wheels on that Johnny Lightning?
Yeah. And
Turbo.
it's shredded wheels.
Oh, treaded wheels, yeah.
Yeah. This one here has plastic. Orange one.
And
Has
there's an orange
plastic.
one. It's got plastic wheels.
Yeah.
And orange with the black stripe.
I know which one do
These-
I like all of these cars.
I know which one you're gonna like out of all these cars. Probably almost the last car that we put up there.
Yeah.
That one's got that's a Johnny Lightning.
Don't
That's got
say
an
the
opening
color.
hood.
It's gonna be a surprise.
All right. That one's got plastic wheels. You said. All right. And they have metal bases on the Johnny Lightning
This one
ones.
is pretty nice.
That one's got rubber wheels too, don't
It
it?
has treaded wheels.
This one is red. This one's orange. So you got an orange one, and there's a red one. One red, one orange. All right. Okay, Olivia, you can take them off.
And here's the next one.
And here's a NASCAR Johnny Lightning.
Let me go.
And this one's got. Oh, this is heavy. This has got whose
It
name
does
is on
have
there?
treaded. It's just flat rubber tires.
I can't read the name on the roof. It's K&K Insurance. That one looks really, really good.
And that's the last one for Johnny Lightning.
That's the last for Johnny Lightnings.
This one here looks like a Johnny Lightning.
This one is an Ertl, and the exhaust on the left. Can you please? On the left side is bent on it. And that's an Ertl car. It says Ertl on the base.
Yeah, it's super amazing. And on the bottom, it's kind of broken.
Yeah, the exhaust is loose or
Pretty
it's
nice
bent.
painting.
But it looks really good. That's a nice color.
And
Leave it
then
on there, Olivia, please.
Now
Let it go
we're down
around once.
to the final two.
That one's real nice. Looks really good in the green.
Hey, look.
Now we're on the final two.
Alright. Okay, Olivia, you can take the green one off. And then the last two, these are M2s.
Yeah. Pink
That's your
one.
favorite one, right, Olivia?
Yeah.
The pink one. I knew it would be.
Yeah, I like.
Yeah, this is a M2 casting here. I have
The right,
two M2s.
the left door doesn't want to open.
That's alright, don't force it. If it doesn't want to
The
open,
left,
leave
the
it.
right one does want to open.
Yeah, I don't force them.
One. Shit.
And the hood's open on these. These are the M2 ones.
The The
Can I
roof
get
on it feels nice. These are better.
And then this is the last one, ain't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is another M2.
Hey, we got wood open.
An M2 car, and it's got the American flag on the roof.
Yeah. This is a really nice one.
All right.
Be careful.
And
Hope you
there.
enjoyed the video. Comment down below which one's your favorite.
Which one? Well, it's hard to say on you because there's so many of them.
I like that
I like the
one,
black one.
that one, and got add
Because it's your favorite car.
I'll add this one here.
Yeah, those three. Johnny Lightning, the Earl, and the M2.
This one,
Let's
this
have
one,
some so
and then this one,
And one for Hot Wheels.
pretend that's the super.
one,
Oh, yeah.
this
There you go.
one, this one.
All
If
right.
you enjoyed the video, comment down below which one's your favorite again. And hit thumbs up, subscribe with the bell button,
That one.
and see you next time.
Yeah, and happy hunting.
I like all
Yeah.
them.
Bye.
Drive safe.